Charges of investing in NPS, it is not so cheap. What are the fees, charges, or expenses of investing in NPS? We all know that NPS is one of the hot choices for many to invest for their retirement and also to save on tax. It is up to you to decide whether you wish to invest in it or not. However, in this post, let me share the charges of investing in NPS, especially if you are investing through POPs. Because many think that POP charges are also cheap like NPS. Charges of investing in NPS, it is not so cheap. You might have heard that NPS is one of the least charging products in India. When someone says so, they are pointing to the fund management charges only. However, they ignore or wisely do not share the other charges of investing in NPS. The below table will give you the complete picture of the current cost of investing in NPS. You notice that if you are trying to open the account and managing it through POPs, then the cost is much higher from the beginning itself. The account opening charges vary from Rs 200 to Rs 400. However, in the case of CRAs, it's just around 40 rupees. Same way, the biggest game changer in the case of cost between POPs and CRAs is the charges for each contribution. In the case of CRAs, it is meager, Rs. 36 to Rs. 75. But in the case of POPs, it is 0.5% for each contribution, 0.2% in the case of INPS, subject to the maximum and minimum limit mentioned above. This seems to be the costly and huge differentiator when it comes to investing in NPS through CRAs and POPs. Along with that, both CRAs and POPs charge annual charges. In the case of POPs, it is called persistency charges. Here, the charges of POPs are based on your yearly contribution. However, in the case of CRAs, it is fixed without considering how much you charge. Hence, what I am trying to highlight here is that these charges many ignore or do not share in just quote fund management charges, shared above. As per the UTI-AMC FAQs on NPS, the total charges of NPS are around 0.21% but not just 0.03% to 0.09% fund management charges. This seems to be equal or in fact more if you compare the available few index mutual funds or ETFs. But the only differentiator is, in the case of NPS, your debt and equity are combined. However, if you do it on your own, then you have to choose the different products. If you or your employer opened your NPS account through POPs, then it costs you more than having an account with CRAs. What about NPS retirement advisor's fee? Retirement advisor means any person being an individual who desires to engage in the activity of providing advice on national pension system or other pension scheme regulated by authority to prospects/subscribers or other persons or group of persons and is registered as such under these regulations. Retirement advisor can charge 3 types of fees from the subscribers to whom he or she has given retirement advice as per regulations, and these fees are: I. Onboarding charges, 200 rupees/max, on completion of onboarding/registration of subscriber and generation of PRAN. 2. Subsequent transaction charges, minimum 20 rupees per transaction and maximum Rs 100/per annum. 3. Advisory fee minus 0.02% of AUM subject to a minimum of Rs 100/ and a maximum of Rs 1000/ per annum, for providing advice to the subscribers. Now, these are the upfront charges of retirement advisors. However, if they have an association with POPs, then you have to bear the 2 costs.